Hey guys, this is Saki from BdThemes. Welcome to our widget tutorial. Today we will introduce you to one of our favorite widgets, the remote arrows. Question: would you like to navigate sliders or carousels remotely? It seems difficult unless you have the remote arrows widget by Elementor Pro. This is the very first widget that lets you control the navigation system of a slider type widget without directly sticking to the widget panel. It could be anything, like how you can use the remote arrows to flip testimonial carousels easily. Here's another example of an e-commerce product slider getting navigated by the remote arrows outside of its own widget panel. We bet you have already taken a liking to this epic widget. Now let's see how to set this up from the backend. First, we have inserted a testimonial carousel widget along with a heading and text field to make a design. After that, we'll drag the remote arrows widget from the widget menu and place it right under the text area. On your left, you can see the controls for the arrows. The first is the ID box for linking the target carousel with the arrows. Now click on the testimonial carousel widget and go to the Advanced tab. Here, type a CSS ID for the carousel that we will be using in the arrows. Copy the text and paste it inside the remote ID field. At this, you can start clicking the arrows to navigate the testimonial carousel remotely. This is just getting started. For the arrows, you can get 23 unique arrowhead styles to choose from the list as well as a custom arrow option. Let's select one from here. The next and previous button text can be edited using the two fields at the bottom. Again, the arrows also have dedicated style customizations. For that, click on the Style tab. All the available options here will empower you to make dynamic changes to the arrows according to your preferences. Let's say we want to change the font style. Typography can do that. You can adjust the spacing between the arrows using the first scroll bar here. The second scroll bar is for the space between text and icon. The other settings here fall under the normal and hover modes. For normal mode, let's change the arrow background color to white and some green shade for the texts and icons. Then select a solid border with a minimum border width and change its color to green. For hover, we can just flip the colors and it will look perfect. Let's add some padding to finish it up. Now check out the awesome navigation arrows made with the remote arrows widget. Thanks for watching this video. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. See you next time.